Dear student, today's topic is efficiency of packing or packing efficiency. The percentage of total space occupied by the particle, atom, molecules or ion known as packing efficiency. So first we take the point simple cubic unit cell. If edge length is equal to A, radius of sphere are small r, so A is equal to 2r. Number of sphere per unit cell is equal to 8 multiplied by 1 upon 8 because the corner side atoms are included in it. So volume of sphere 4 upon 3 pi r cube. The volume of cube is equal to A cube, 2r cube means 8r cube. Packing efficiency is equal to volume of one sphere multiplied by 100 then divided by the total volume of cubic unit cell. So 4 upon 3 pi r cube divided by 8r cube multiplied by 100. So the answer is 52.37 or 52.4. Student, you have seen on the display A is equal to 2r because the radii calculate 2 times and it's a simple cubic unit cell. Corner atoms are included in it. Second type is body centered cubic unit arrangement, BCC. You have seen because one is atom is body centered and these are the angle we have seen the body center atoms. The one atom is middle on it and the corner atom which is known as corner atom and it's the body center atom. So edge length is equal to A, radius of each sphere is equal to small r, number of sphere per unit cell is equal to 8 multiplied by 1 upon 8 corner atom. Here AD is equal to 2r plus r means equal to 4r plus 1 body center. So consider right angle and triangle ABC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square means A square plus A square. So AC square is equal to 2A square. Similarly, right angle triangle ACD, AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square. 2A square plus A square is equal to 3A square. So AD is equal to under root 3A. 4R is equal to under root 3A or A is equal to 4R upon under root 3 for calculate the side length. Student, volume of unit cell is equal to A cube where we put the value 4r upon under root 3 then exponential value 3. So it is 64r cube then 3 under root 3 dividation. Volume of a sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So total volume of two sphere is equal to 2 into 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Packing efficiency is equal to volume of two sphere in the unit cell divided by total volume of unit cell then multiply by 100. Volume of two sphere in the unit cell is equal to 8 upon 3 pi r cube then divided by the total volume unit cell, it is 64r cube then divided by 3 under root 3. So student, the answer is 68%. Student, in a display you have seen the hexagonal closed packing SCP arrangement. You can easily derivation. So calculating involving unit cell dimensions. Student, the length of the edge of the cell A centimeter, volume of unit cell is equal to A cube per cube centimeter, density of unit cell is equal to mass of unit cell then divided by volume of unit cell. Mass of unit cell is equal to number of atoms in a unit cell means Z multiply by mass of each atom which is M. It's equation number 2. So mass of an atom present in unit cell is equal to small m means atomic mass divided by Avogadro number means m divided by Avogadro number NO. So mass of unit cell is equal to, we put the value equal to Z multiplied by m divided by Avogadro number. Substituting equation first we get when we put the value. So the density formula is Z multiplied by m and divided by A cube and Avogadro number gram per cubic centimeter. Student, in a display you have seen the unit cell, face centered, body centered, distance between a nearest neighbor. It's a calculation formula for this. A under root 2 under root 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 8, 0.8668 radii if you want to calculate. So in NCERT book, student, there are questions 1.13, 1.14, 1.11 and 1.15, 1.21. These are totally based on this. So we can solve the question number 1.11. Silver crystallized in FCC lattice if edge length of the unit cell is 4.077 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter and density is 10.15 gram per cubic centimeter. Calculate the atomic mass of silver. So formula of calculate the density is equal to Z multiply m divided by A3 into Avogadro number, or m is equal to density multiply A cube multiply NO, means Avogadro number, divided by Z. We put the value. Density is 10.5 gram per cubic centimeter. A cube 4.07 into 10 to the power minus 8, which is given in a question, cube. Then Avogadro number, you know value, 6.02 to 10 to the power 23 divided by Z, because it's a FCC, means number of atoms are 4. So the answer is 107.12 gram per mole. Student, next question also based to this. Copper crystallized into a FCC lattice with edge length 3.61 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter, so that the calculated density is in agreement with the measured value of 8.29 gram per cubic centimeter. Given molar mass of copper is 63 gram per mole. So student, we know density is equal to Z multiply m divided by A3 into Avogadro number. We put the value FCC, so number of maximum whole atoms are 4. Then mass is 63.5. We put the value 3.61. It is cube. Then Avogadro number, it is 8.96 gram per cubic centimeter. So value close to measured value. It means it is correct. So student, thanks a lot.